and Ryan actually just told me the other day that there was a cupcake place that opens. So yeah, I will definitely do some giveaways soon, you guys. So I'm really excited. It smells heavenly. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Makeup Monday. I am here today with my real morning routine. So I thought this would be an awesome video to show you guys how my morning routines actually are compared to the other morning routines I've done that are just more glamorous and relaxed and, you know, all that fun stuff. But in today's video, I want to show you what I actually do in my mornings. And I always like watching these when it's very just like real and you actually get to see what's going on. So that's what we're going to be doing today. If you want to see more videos like this, please give it a thumbs up to let me know. Also, if you have not subscribed, make sure to do that now. Let's roll right in. Good morning, you guys. I feel like I haven't talked this entire video, but I thought I would show you my real morning routine and what I do. Dishes, cleaning, and Ryan and I alternate, and it's usually a pretty busy morning. I'm really busy in the morning, so that is why I wanted to do today's vlog. But I actually today was bank day, so I had to go to the bank, and Ryan actually just told me the other day that there was a cupcake place that opened, so I stopped there. It was funny because I actually had my banking stuff with me, and I think she thought I was like trying to hand out resumes, so it's just like so awkward. And then I felt more awkward as she realized that because she kept looking at my papers. I was like, no, I just want cupcakes. But this is them. Oh my goodness, okay, I have to show you these. You guys, look at these cupcakes. Ryan is going to be so happy with me. There's like double chocolate chip. There's like a peanut butter cookie, toffee. The pink one is mine, and oh my goodness, I'm just so excited for these. They look so good. So the next place I am going to is actually Starbucks. So I usually like to grab a Starbucks before I go home, and we usually have a few coffees a day. I think you know this already. We definitely need a little bit of energy. But the other thing that I actually have to go do is I have to go get a gingerbread house. So that was the other thing that Mia and Sophia, we've been wanting to do with them, and we haven't yet. So we're gonna go get a gingerbread house. I'm gonna try to find one. Yeah, I'll try to find one today. So hopefully we can do that. I've been dying to see that. I think it will be so cute seeing them make a little gingerbread house. But yeah, I'm on my way there and then go back home, and I'll show you what the rest of my real morning routine looks like. Okay, so I am back home right now. I actually just finished filming a video. I got really busy because I had to finish doing this and send it to my editor. So I have a ton of like fashion pieces right here that I got from Fashion Nova. And then I was just doing an Insta story. So I thought I would do 2-in-1. I would vlog and then also do an Insta story. Both take time, but I just ordered a ton of stuff from my shop. So I did post that on my Instagram and I'm so excited. I definitely needed a lot more brushes, so I was really happy I ordered from my own shop. So I did order some goodies. And I was actually gonna stop at Starbucks. I almost always do whenever I have to go to the bank, but I didn't have time. The girls usually do wake up by noon and then we give them or feed them lunch, and today we're actually making gingerbread houses, so I wanted to make sure that I had time to do everything, and I still have to make myself lunch, but this is my real morning routine, so I kind of just wanted to finish this vlog up and show you. But yeah, this is basically what I do every morning, and then the parts you don't see, I'm like glued to my computer, I'm on the phone, I have conference calls, like a lot of that goes on. I'm not like on my social media showing it, so there's just like a lot. But I find that like 50% of my time is on my computer, on my laptop, so I do have a lot of work to do today actually. But yeah, new brushes, so I'm really excited. Not new, but I just had to reorder a ton of my products so I can show you guys and feature them in my videos. This is one of my favorite brushes. Like, look how pretty this is. The L10. Oof, so pretty. I love this. It's so soft too, super soft. And then I got some beauty sponges as well that I had to order. What else? I got some sets. So I got my gold glitter set. I have my silver sparkly eye set. These are so perfect to travel with as well. And they're just so cute and sparkly, and I love the little cases that they come in. And then I did order a bunch of the marble brush that I have. So if you didn't know, I actually have a marble brush, and it's a blusher brush. It's so pretty. And these are gonna go right, one's gonna go into my bag and then the other one will go on my vanity. But isn't this a really pretty brush to keep in your purse? But yeah, this is it right here. This is such a pretty handbag brush, and it's the perfect size to apply blush. You can also use it for a highlight if you wanted to as well, but I love this brush so much. So I got those two, and then the other one that I ordered a lot of is actually the pink glam brush. So as I like to call it, my Barbie brush. It's just very like Barbie inspired. This is fun doing like an unboxing. I love it. This is what it looks like. It's not often I get to unbox my own products. I usually see you guys do it and repost it on my Insta stories, but I just wanted to quickly show you. This is also a really nice brush to use throughout the day. So I have all of these. I'm gonna put these away after. But basically what I do throughout the day or morning, I try to organize like my Insta stories and I'll pre-film them. So what I do for that, I actually film it on this camera. So on my vlogging camera, then I upload it to my computer, and then computer to my phone to my app, and then I edit it, and then I put it on Instagram. So that is like a whole process. It takes like at least 20 minutes to do that, and I usually try to do it like a day before. Like I've actually been trying to pre-film some of my Insta stories because you know I'm on there all the time. So I mean, there's definitely a lot of stuff behind the scenes that I feel like I have to do in the mornings. So yeah, busy mornings, but I am a morning person. I usually wake up early, have my coffee, feed the girls, and I've always been a morning person. I just quickly wanted to also show you two things I've been really loving. This hand cream that I got from Bath & Body Works, and it smells so good. And this is the one that has the unicorn on it. I don't know where it says the scent name. Shea Butter Hand Cream. But yeah, the one with the unicorn smells so good. I did get the gingerbread one, but this one smells even better. The other thing I have been obsessing over is this Loopy case. So they actually gifted this to me, and this isn't sponsored or anything, but this case has become so useful for me. If I'm trying to take photos of myself and the girls, I can actually let my hands go further now and have more grip on my phone. This is just so needed, and I just cannot even believe that I have not had something like this for that long and struggled my entire life trying to take photos. So really happy I got that. I'll leave a link down below, and they're pretty affordable too, which is awesome. So I did get the marble one, and since I actually cleaned my makeup vanity with you guys last week, I have kept it clean so I don't have to re-clean it this morning. So if I get ready or if I'm doing a tutorial, I usually will clean my vanity right after, because if I leave it for too long, then it just turns into a disaster. So yeah, I've been testing out new makeup as well, which is awesome. I did put that in there, and I just have all of my favorites right in this little tray. And I do actually have some new brushes that went up in here. So these are new, and these are actually on the Ipsy website. I've had so many questions, so I'm actually not selling them. They're just on the website exclusively to Ipsy, so make sure you guys check it out. I also have my super cute HAUTEGLAM mug right here, and I was gonna use it for coffee, but I'm like, I can't. I have to use it for my new brushes, and it has to go on my makeup vanity. So she has the cutest mugs and designs. So she's also done my logo, and I just love all of her designs. They're so creative and artistic and unique. So just something I wanted to show you guys too. The other thing I'm trying out is this Sage eye cream. I've actually had a really tough time finding a nice eye cream that works. My under eyes are really, really dry, and I've just been looking for an extremely like deep hydrating eye cream, and I can't seem to find one. So I might go back to the fresh one. So let me know in the comments if there is one you do recommend I should try next. So when I unbox my goodies, this is where I put it. I have this big box here of stock. So I'm really, really excited. I can probably squeeze some beauty blenders in here, and I should organize this a little bit better, but I just like having them all in one area. And I always like when this box is full, because then I get to do giveaways with you guys. I get to share them in my videos. And it was hard because before, like, I had too much stock in my house, so I don't like to carry too much stock, only if I what's it called? I'm doing like a lot of giveaways, really. That's the only reason why, but I don't need that much stock in my house. So yeah, I will definitely do some giveaways soon, you guys. And this is basically what I do. Like, I try to just get my brand really organized every single morning. And clearly these brushes I need to wash, and then they're gonna go onto my vanity. But I like to stay really organized with my brand as far as emails. And I think a lot of you know, like, if you're sending me an email right in the morning, I usually respond right away. And I'll even get some people, I'll respond a few minutes after. They're like, oh my God, I can't believe that. Like, that's the fastest customer service. So I really do a lot of emails in the morning when I get up, and then I start organizing and getting everything ready for the day. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that too, just because you haven't really seen me on my computer. But I find if I'm vlogging that or showing you guys that, it's not really, I don't know, it's not something I really include in my videos. I don't find it very entertaining, but it does happen. So the other thing that I have to do, obviously, is clean up my haul mess that I did from my last video. I have to wash all these clothes. I'm going to do that right after. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm going to have some new brushes to play with. And let me know if you want me to do a tutorial and maybe like a chit chat, or I can do a Q&A. I haven't done a Q&A in like ages on my channel, so that's also something else. I have to bring this into my washroom because this is the body wash I got of Champagne Toast, which so many of you went out and got this candle after I shared it with you, and it smells so sweet and so good. And I actually got a second one, but you saw that it actually has no like confetti or fun packaging on it. It's just plain pink. So they do have both that you can choose from, but I really like this one. I think it's very like pretty for the holidays. And I actually haven't used the Champagne Toast body wash yet, so I'm really excited. It smells heavenly, and it's such a nice big bottle as well. So I'm really happy I got that. I seriously forgot how much I love the marble brush so much. And like I said, you can use this for blush, but you can also use it for all over powder. But I really am thinking about launching a further collection with marble and maybe changing up the design a little bit, but I think it's so pretty for your home, and it's just such a nice vanity brush. So I've been really loving this one. So I have a little friend with me right now that wants to help share my little Sephora haul. I wouldn't say little, but I did get some Christmas gifts and some products for myself. I actually ran out of face cream this morning, and I was like, what am I doing? I have to get some face cream. So yeah, I just did a little unboxing actually for Insta stories. Be careful, my love. come over here. So I got some really cute Starbucks gift cards. Sophia wants to see it. There you go. And then this is really exciting. So instead of just getting my fresh cream, I actually got the gift set because it was a value set. And I just opened it up with Sophia. Actually, it was so cute. So this is what it looks like. And it came with everything really. So you have your cleanser, you have your essence, you have your face cream, which is the Lotus Youth Preserve, and then right here you have the fresh mask, and then the little lip balm and eye concentrate, which I ran out of as well, so I needed that. Thank you. So that is what the sleeping mask came in, and if you have dehydrated skin, this is amazing stuff. What's next in there, Sophia? Okay, so I also got a little gift set for a gift. Look how nice that is. And then right here, this is for me. So I thought I would show you guys. This is the Anastasia lip gloss set in nude. Look at all the pretty colors. And this is such nice packaging too. I really like the lid. And what else is in there, boo? Thank you. Okay, so we have also a lip liner. I needed She's Humble Again by Patrick Ta. I also needed I wanted to try out the gloss. I needed the She's Humble lip liner because I ran out. And also the Fenty Beauty Brow MVP I was out of. So these two here. I also got a little makeup set, and then this is for Ryan. So this right here is little Jack Black set. And these are awesome, by the way. I really like these lip balms. So that was everything. Quick little haul. With Sophia. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my real morning routine, and I'm already sweating, as you can see. This is what I look like by the afternoon. So it was a busier morning, but I hope you enjoyed seeing this because I feel like everyone I do is just so glamorous and, you know, relaxing, and it's not always that case. So it sometimes is busy and I'm, you know, really doing a lot in the morning. So I wanted you guys to see this, and then yeah, I had a lot of fun actually filming this video. So if you want to see more, give it a thumbs up, and of course if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe for Makeup Monday Fashion Friday videos, and of course I will see you guys on Fashion Friday.